The Lighthawk XT tactical vest features a quick release system. Pulling the cable on the shoulder will release the vest, which will separate at the shoulders and the cummerbund. To reassemble the vest will require rerouting the quick release cable, and this is easiest to do with the vest laid out flat. You'll need the cable and the deltoid. First, find the 1-inch strap with the eyelet. Insert this through the metal shoulder buckle from the bottom. Second, run the quick release cable through the eyelet in the 1-inch tab and underneath the vest flap. Run it all the way through, down to the cummerbund. Now run the top of the cable through the communication wire restraint here. Next, take your deltoid and run the cable through the loop end as shown. Ensure the elastic pen holder is facing towards the front of the vest. Now, run it through the next communication wire restraint on the shoulder flank. This will hold the deltoid in place. Finally, to lock the release cable in place, pull the last black loop through the top end of the release cable. In the bottom of the back end, take the bottom end of the release cable and feed it through the cummerbund and straps and bungee as shown. Follow this pattern for the second and third as well. Now, finally, push and pull the cable all the way through. Make sure the cable is nice and tight. Tuck it underneath and fasten the bungee tight, and tuck any remaining bungee up inside and close it with the 3 snaps. If the cable on the opposite shoulder was also released, then repeat this process on that side as well. Your Lighthawk XT is assembled.